Very good morning, everyone. Today we are going to have seminar presentation by Hannah and Anjo. So Hannah, please start your seminar. Okay, start. Yes, Hannah.
Good morning, my name is Hannah. We are going to take seminar on the topic structure of RBI. Before we are going to structure of RBI, let's talk about RBI. RBI is the central bank of India and it is wholly controlled by the central government of India, and it is the effect and monitoring and banking structure of a country, and it is a public organization that usually issues the currency, regulates the money supply, and controls the interest rate of a country. And it is established on April 1st, 1935 under RBI Act 1934. And RBI's central office is located in Mumbai. And now we go to the structure of RBI. The organization structure of RBI consists of central board and local board. And the central board is the one who governs the affairs of the RBI. And this central board consists of 20 members. And these 20 members are one governor, not more than 4 deputy governors, and 15 directors. And the governor and the deputy governors are appointed by central government at the time of their appointment. So it's usually 5 years their time to do. And the current RBI governor is Sri Shaktivanta Das, and the former RBI governor was Urjit Patel. Then the current deputy governors are M.D. Patta, M.C. Jain, M.R. Rao, and C. Radhi Sampath. Now the next one is local board. One is for the 4 regions of the country, that is in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and New Delhi. And each local board consists of 5 members, and they are appointed by the central government for a term of 4 years. And the functions of the local board is represents the territorial and economic interests and interests of the cooperative and individual banks. And they can advise the central board on such matters which is referred to them. And this central government is having a big role on controlling the RBI. And then it has 27 regional offices and most of them in the state capital. And that's all about the organization. I hope it's clear. Thank you.
Is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. Yes. Clap. How was the seminar? How was the seminar? Anila, tell me.
So, it was good.
Yes, it was good. Yes, very good slides. The slides were very clear. Every points were there in the slide. You prepared well. Very nice effort. To be very open from my heart, I am telling you, I am so happy with you, with all of you. I received the assignments in my WhatsApp. I am so happy to see your assignments. A few have submitted it to me. The first one was Sharath to submit the assignment. Very happy, Sharath. But I had given him some suggestions to change it. That is different thing. But at least he sent me it the first as the first one. Wow, nice, very nice. I'm so happy with all of you. And your seminars are too good. Very nice. Okay, so Hannah was explaining us what was her topic. Pavitra, switch on the video. Tell me, what was Hannah's topic for seminar? Yes, Pavitra, switch on the video. Tell me, Basil, Shubham, switch on the videos. Irfan. Tell me, what was the topic for the seminar? Don't waste time, Anjo is waiting. Yes. Basil, He's not there. Irfan, tell me what was the topic for the seminar? Went. Immediately when I ask question, he'll disappear. Tomlin, cut your hair.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was the topic for seminar?
Next up.
Tell me once again.
RBI.
RBI? Okay. Organization structure. Organization structure of RBI. Who is the current RBI governor? Tell me. Who is the current RBI governor? Okay, Aditya. I know that you know the answer. I want someone else. Who's that? Karthik? You? Who gave me the answer now?
Irfan.
Okay, very good, Irfan. Switch on the video, please. Basil, please switch on the video. Don't keep your videos off. If you have any trouble, please message me. See, Shubham and Basil not keeping the video on. I have taken a picture of the screen. Okay, that was the seminar by Hannah. Now let's move to the seminar by Anjo. Start. Yes, begin. Anjo, start. Even Anjo have prepared a wonderful PPT. Where is Anjo? Yes, Anjo.
Ma'am.
10:10. We have time till 10:10. 9:35. Okay, yes.
I'm screen sharing is possible.
What happened?
Screen sharing is not possible for me.
Why?
It's not
Why?
working.
Okay, I'll share the screen for you then. Okay, Anjo? Let me see. Where did I keep it? Just a second. Just a second, Anjo. Be prepared. Functions of RBI, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yes. Where is the functions of RBI? Can you all see the screen? Yes or no? Anjo, can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Tomlin, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Anjo, why you can't see the screen? I'm sharing it for you.
Ma'am,
Huh?
no, ma'am, I can't see.
Nobody can see? Karthik, can you see?
Ma'am, only folder.
Only folder? Why it's not coming? I have shared it. Yes. Let me see now. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Aparna. Okay, Anjo, is it visible now? Where is Anjo? Anjo, you left? Okay, we'll make him do it next time. He's not there. Aparna, just see if he's there. No,
No,
he's
ma'am, he's not
okay, okay, it's okay. He's not there. Anyway, we are going to do another activity. I won't leave Anjo. I'll make him do the seminar next day. Okay, so we have discussed what is RBI. An introduction of RBI was given by Aditya, and Hannah have discussed about the organization structure of RBI. So I'll be sharing the PPT with you in the group. You can go through that. That is more than enough for your as your notes. Okay, you can learn that and do well in your exams. That is enough. Okay, now moving to a wonderful activity, that was a creative assignment submitted by Karthik. We all are going to do that now. Now where is it? Let me see. Where is my screen? Can you see? No? Okay. Yes, it's here. Can you see the screen? Anjo, you are back? We'll do it in the next class, Anjo. Do you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, okay. So this is the creative assignment submitted by Karthik. He has prepared a crossword for you to do. Shall we do it in the class? Yes or no? See, I know it is not clear, but I'll help you to read. Okay. So here, just a second. Here we have the questions, and we need to find out the answers from the crosswords. Okay, and you will give me the answers you will write it in a paper and send it to me in the WhatsApp. Okay, the first one who finishes will raise the hand and let me know. Okay, and I'll tell you how to give the answer. So this is a crossword, and he have given numbers to the row as well as the columns. So I'm just giving you how to do this. Okay, suppose this is his crossword and you have the answer as just an example, cat. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. This is how he has numbered his rows and columns. So if you find out the answer as cat, you know that it is over here. So you give the answer as 2, 2. You should write the answer cat and give this code. So I can understand the answer is second row, second column. Okay everyone? Clear? You should give the answer also. Along with the answer, you will write this code. Okay? Shall we begin? This is a revision on this chapter as well. Start doing. The first one. The upward movement in prices in percentage per annum. What is that? Don't give me the answer now. Don't call out the answer. You write it in a paper. Answer as well as you should find it out from this crossword. So this is an assignment prepared by Karthik. Well done. Very good effort. Fast. Are you getting it? It's too tough, Karthik. Even I was taking so much of time to find out. Very difficult. But still fun. Don't wait for one. You can go for the other ones also. PNR by 100. What is the answer? You do one thing. You write the answers first, 1 to 8. You give the answers. Then you find it out from the crossword. Okay, Shubham, are you trying?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Do it. You will write it in a paper. You will send it to me in the WhatsApp. The questions are very simple, but finding it out from the crossword, it's tough. Not tough, but still. If any point is not clear to you, I'll read it out. Karthik, you will also do. You will also do it and give me the answer, okay? The way I said. Answer and the code in the crossword. Are you getting? PNR by 100. The answer is very easy. What is that? What is that used for? Payment of a fixed amount. I can see the question. Made by a borrower to a lender at a specified date each calendar month. What is that? The very recent topic. Switch on the videos. Nobody is going to switch it off. Irfan, switch on the video. Pavitra, Sharath. Yes, I can see. Don't switch it off. Aditya, please switch it on. Anila, how do you feel about this? Is it easy? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No. But the 1, 2 and all is easy, no? To get the answer. 6th one is very easy. The amount for which we calculate interest and is denoted by P. What is P? P. The rate at which banks in Mumbai offer loans to one another. Very easy. Aparna, how is it? Okay, do. I'll give you time till 10 o'clock. Then you will send me the answer. It's not a test, but still, it's a revision only. Anyone, any question which is not clear? I will read it for you. 5th one, number 5. A gain or loss on an investment over a specified period of time. First one, the upward movement in prices in percentage per annum. The increase in price. What is that? PNR by 100. What is that? How many of you completed any five? Five. Raise your hands. Nobody got five? I mean, five numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answers. The answers are easy. Only thing is you'll take time to find it out from the crossword. Answers are very easy. Shubham, how many did you get? How many? 5? Is it 5? 2. Okay, okay. Fast. Do you know the answers for all these 8? One, 2, 6, 8 and all, 7, 8 and all, very easy ones. So first you will write the answers to it. Did you get the answers for all? Is there anyone who didn't get the answers also? Anjo, don't switch off your video. Ah, yes, your video is on. Okay, okay. Fast? Nobody is sending me the answer. And on Saturday, I'll be giving you a test on profit sharing ratio, okay? I'm telling you in advance, you can prepare it. Karthik, did you finish? Like the answer as well as the code? Can you send it to me?
No, ma'am, I just did 2.
What? What did you say?
I just did 2.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I have the answer. Give it me. I'll send that one.
Okay, because that is for me to share it in the group, the neat one. And next one, next thing, a reminder for you. For next seminar, the group I have decided is Aparna, then Pavitra, and Aparna, note down, okay, your group members. Pavitra and then Sharath. Okay. Sharath, did you hear me? Switch on the video, Sharath. Next group, Aparna, Pavitra, Sharath, Anil. Aparna, hope you have noted it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the topic is DMAT services. That is enough, Aparna. DMAT services. 3 of you will do DMAT services, the first chapter portion. Anybody having any problem, you should inform me, okay? Tomlin, how many over?
Ma'am, 3.
How many? Just give me the number. I mean, like 3 are over, 5 are over. How many are over?
Ma'am, 3 are over.
Only 3. You got the answers?
And no, ma'am, 4.
Ah, okay, okay. Answers are over. Wrote down the answer for all the 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Why I can't hear you? Finish it off. 9:54 now. You should stop at 10. Or even if you don't get it in the crossword, you will send me the answers of 8. Okay? Everybody is going to send me the answer. I need the answer. Irfan, switch on the video. Pavitra, switch on the video. Why are you switching it off? Irfan, tell me the answer for number 1.
Inflation.
Alright, very good. Did everyone get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. Write the answers of 8. I mean, all the 8. Send it to me after the class. Immediately after the class. Shubham, how many you got? Only 2 still. What is PNR by 100, Shubham? What is that? Shubham, I'm asking you. Shubham.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for 2? Number 2.
Ma'am, don't know.
Okay, okay. So Shubham will write 2, the answer for 2. For what is this formula used? You will write it 10 times and show me, okay? Shubham, you are going
Simple
to
interest.
write imposition.
Ma'am, simple interest.
Now you know?
Ma'am, that I know. I think something else would be the answer. I don't write something.
But Karthik, you haven't given simple interest, isn't it? You didn't give the full term.
No, ma'am.
Okay. He has given only the second part, interest. See, he have
Ma'am.
indicated 8 over here. That means there are 8 letters in the word, isn't it? Sorry, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
That's okay. I told you no. The most important thing is I want you to answer all these 8. Finding out from crossword is okay. I want the answer for all these 8. That is my main intention. And definitely if you get the answer from crossword, it's good. Shall we discuss it in the class? We'll do the next time. I need the answer. Definitely everyone will send it to me. But I think we'll discuss it in the class now. Okay? So, what was the first one? Somebody had given me the answer, inflation. Could you find it from the crossword, anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the number. 12th row.
3.
Yes, correct. Here, 12th row, 3, inflation. Majority might have got it. Now, the second one, interest. PNR by 100. Actually, that is used to find out simple interest. Okay, the answer is simple interest, but it's okay. In the crossword, interest is the term that you will be finding out. Where is interest? Who will tell me? Is it interest, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone who found interest in the crossword? Anyone? Answer. Nobody got interest. Karthik, you tell me the answer. Where is interest?
Ma'am, first row.
First row.
From the bottom, we should go reverse.
Oh my God. That is too complicated. Even I was searching for this. I couldn't find interest. Oh my God. Okay. Where is it? Second?
Ma'am, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. It goes like that.
11.
1.
I mean from here. No, still I am not getting it.
Ma'am, it is upward.
Upwards. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It's upward.
From where? Oh, like
From-
this. Yes. We found it. Interest. Oh my God. It goes this way. Upwards. Interest. But good effort. He has taken so much of effort to prepare this. Okay. The second one is interest. That is like going up from 11th row, moving upwards to 4th row. Okay, now the third one, payment of a fixed payment amount made by a borrower to a lender at a specified date each calendar month, monthly. What is the answer? Tomlin?
Ma'am, EMI.
Very good. Answer is right. And where is it in the crossword?
Ma'am, 9, 9.
Huh?
Ma'am, ninth row.
Ninth row, ninth column. EMI. Okay. Now the fourth one. The fourth is no. The amount borrowed by a person for a certain period repayable with interest. It's a 4-letter word. Yes, Aparna?
Ma'am, loan.
Loan, right, loan, yes. And where is loan? Is that also going ulta wise, Karthik?
No, ma'am.
No, okay.
I'm 11th row.
11th row, where is it? 11th row, no, 11th column, isn't it? Coming down. Coming down. Okay, fourth one, that is okay. Now, coming to the fifth one. A gain or loss on an investment over a specified period of time. What was that? Answer, give the answer first. Basil, please switch on the video. I forgot your face long time now. Okay, give me the answer for 5. What is 5? The answer for 5. Hana, do you know?
Rate of return.
Ah, very good, Aditya. It is a rate on return, rate of return. And where is this rate of return now? Have you given the full expansion? Yes, there is 12. 12 letters. Where is it?
Ma'am, 12th row, 12th column. And it is vertical, I think.
Oh, okay. Once again, repeat the answer.
12th row. In,
Ah,
12th
yes,
column.
yes, right, Shubham, yes. Oh my God, how to draw this now? Rate of return. Okay, right, Karthik? Is it right? I'm
Yes, ma'am.
spoiling the crossword. Okay. So, rate of return. Then, sixth one. What is P? The amount for which we calculate interest and is denoted by P.
Principal.
Principal. Very good. Where is principal now?
First row, second column.
First row, second column, like this.
Downward.
Yes, right. Okay. Principal. Okay, then 6 is over. 7. The rate at which banks in Mumbai offer loans to one another. What is that answer? What is the answer for that?
MIBO.
Who is giving the answer? I can't hear you. Was that Aditya? Okay, let me ask Anjo now. Anjo, tell me the answer for that. 7.
IBOR.
Ah, right. Very good. Right. MIBOR. Tell me, where is the answer?
Ma'am,
Ninth.
6th row, 9th column.
8th row, 9th column. Right.
Ma'am, 6th row.
Sorry, 6th row. Okay. 9th column, 6th row. 6th row, MIBOR. Now, 8th one, the last one. A person or organization that borrows money from a bank. What is that person called? Who have not yet answered me? Basil is not switching on the video. Irfan told me inflation. Sharath, did you give me any answer? Give me the answer for 8th one. A person who borrows money from a bank. Who is that person? What do we call that person? Is he an investor? Is he a depositor? What is that kind of a term that we use for a person who borrows money? Very good. Borrower. Yes, borrower. Where is the borrower word in the crossword? Did you find Sharat?
Ma'am, ninth row, third column. It
Ninth
is right
row.
side vertical.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Shubham. Borrower. It's going this way like this. Okay. Ninth row, third column. Ninth row, third column. 3C. How was it? Did you enjoy doing the crossword? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we all enjoyed doing it. Wonderful effort. Wonderful. Please give a clap for Karthik. Okay, it's time now. Karthik, very good. Very good effort. We'll be doing such activities again and again. I want more from this class. Okay, I wind up the session. See you in the next class. Okay, bye. See you.